Hey and welcome to this video tutorial. Have you ever had it in Maya when you're trying to model and you just can't get the right view on your objects? They keep popping in and out of existence. In this video, we're going to be going over clip planes and how to set them up if this is an issue that you are having. But before we get started, if you like my content and find it helpful, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons, it's always appreciated. So if we go ahead and select our current camera, we can do so by going ahead and clicking this icon here. And then over in the attribute editor, you'll see these two inputs, one for the near clip plane and the other for the far clip plane. To understand what these parameters do, you need to know what planes are. Near and far clipping planes are imaginary planes located at two particular distances from the camera along the camera's sightline. Only objects between a camera's two clipping planes are rendered in that camera's view. At the moment, you can see as I get closer to objects, they vanish. To adjust this, we want to make the near clip plane a smaller value. For example, 0.001. Now you can see that we don't get restricted when zooming closer until the camera actually goes inside or through the geo. Alternatively, when we zoom out, we're struggling to get the whole asset in the view, so we need to increase the far clip plane value. On this scene, something like 100 works just fine. You might also be noticing some weirdness showing up here as we zoom out. It's not really an issue as much as it doesn't look very nice, and this is caused by the near clip plane value, so we might just find setting it to something like 0.01 works better. And still allows us to get in nice and close. Well, that's a wrap on this tutorial. For downloadable content from my tutorials and other perks, check out my Patreon, come chat with me on my Discord server, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider hitting those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.